In this video, I'm going to describe why the cycle of violence is no longer widely used to describe domestic violence. In the last 40 years, the amount of evidence about what causes domestic violence has simply expanded since its original theory came out in 1979. We've also heard from many more diverse voices than was originally included in the sample of Lenore Walker's theory on the cycle of violence. This theory says that every incident of domestic violence will first have a tension-building phase before the incident of violence, and that it really makes it seem like it's episodic when we just know that's not the case based on our experience with survivors and abusers. Many survivors experience no honeymoon stage. This theory also presumes that during this stage that it's safe for survivors to do things like speak up, to leave, or to plan to leave. And what we know from the research is that leaving is actually really dangerous for many survivors. The explosion phase, or the violent incident phase, says that every incident of violence will be preceded by tension building and followed by honeymoon. And this just simply isn't the case for all incidents of domestic violence. It also does not account for resistive violence, which is a big problem with this theory. I do know that some survivors do experience the cycle of violence. However, the theories that we use have to have an intersectional lens, and they also have to include the lived experience and voices of a diverse group of survivors, and they must also account for resistive violence.